lot of the members of the church, and indeed in the society, experiencing all kinds of crises in your lives, but you're not recognizing them as such. And you're not recognizing that an intervention, somebody to sit and talk with you, not just about your spiritual well-being, your spirit, but anything at all. And the pastor is well trained. This is part of what they call the pastoral duty, to help you with any kind of problem. They may not be able to give you money, but believe me, just this process of finding someone to talk to. Now, I know a lot of that is being done in the church, but we Jamaicans, we have a cultural thing about us where we believe we little, but we talawa. We can take on problems that are bigger than us. We don't need nobody to help us with anything. We little, but we talawa. We can take on the problems. And it is particularly the case for our men. They keep the problems inside, they don't talk about it, and it boils up. We need to start a public education campaign, not just from the government, not just from the Ministry of Health, but also from our churches and other organizations and entities, to get our Jamaicans to change this culture of not trying to seek help when they are in crisis. For the point of just offloading, break down and cry, helps you to get over it and get past it and to develop the inner strength and the renewed hope and faith that you will overcome the crisis. So the government will be pursuing a direct and deliberate program with the churches to have a more robust intervention to support mental health in the country.